Mushtamarizo beri Abarikurenga umuhezi wa Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tahebwa w'abanyishenjero okurwa mu district ya Kwen mu cweka ca Sebi aho munyishenjero kazi wa district eji Honorable Rose Cherkut kuherezayo kwetomwita kwe awenshonga henjura erekera abantu barikurenga mwenda Bafiire hamwe n'abandi abarikurenga 320 batine Buraro atiyo niko kushaba government okubirukanjirira.
Most of their crops were destroyed, they were washed down. So as we speak, people, very many, almost 320 people don't have food. They are there languishing and grieving. And on that note also, when you come to the lower belt, that is soy. Of course, I'm speaking as a district woman MP. As a result of the same rain, the rain was washed from up, rain from up, downwards, reaching down. It carried so many cows.
The government should look into this matter in totality, especially hurrying on with the resettling the people who are on disaster-prone areas. We've always presented this matter. The team from the Ministry of the Prime Minister's office have always come. They take pictures. They take the lists. They do everything, but they don't come back.
Vice Minister w'ubugororezi Honorable Lilian Abe omukugarukamu yagira ngu bichiriza kuronda ebintu byokubasa kuhera abantu abari mu za kampu kandi nagira ngu bahireyo toni 10 z'ebicoori, toni 10 z'ebihimba hamwe n'entundu barigana ezokubayamba kubyama kandi yayongera ashaba abantu bona abari omu myanya egi emibi okuruga mu bukirikare.
And we have taken steps. The first step we took is to instruct the team from Red Cross. As you are aware, government funds Red Cross to provide non-food items and support with emergency response in this country. And as I speak to you, the team from Red Cross, some are already on ground. I also dispatched a team under NECOC to go and support the rescue mechanism on ground. But we have also allocated 10 tons of maize, 10 tons of beans, 100 pieces of taplings, and others we are still mobilizing to support.
Vitu na bwanyuma Speaker ashaba Minister okushobora abantu emyanya yibarukuza kuzamu bwanyuma y'okuruga mu maka gabo obu government eri kufayo kutebekanisa okubafurira.
We are completing the procurement process of the land where we are supposed to resettle some of those people who are mapped out in the risky areas, and they will soon be resettled. Pertaining the families of those who lost their loved ones, the President will contribute, as usual, the 5 million to support the burial expenditure.
Umurista mandoro mwe omnyishenjero wabuyendera county omuri Bundubujo district Honorable Acrobat Chiza yashaba government okubirukanjirira kabayamba haruguto rwa Fort Poto Bundubujo uriyo mu mbera mbi bwanyuma yo kushishwa enjura kandi Minister wa Works yagira ngo bahereze ku bana bafuna contractor arukuzakora hanshonga zabo.
Canal Right Honorable, 6 administrative units are cut off, including the sub-county where I come from. I leave a vehicle in Bundubujo town and board the border. So my prayer, Right Honorable Speaker, to the Minister of Finance and Minister of Works and Transport, that at least they could send a team, a technical team on the ground and assess the impact.
Well, I know about the road through his constituency. It was one of those security roads which we are supposed to work on. But again, I think because of funds, we have not yet been able to address it as an alternative road to Bundubujo. But I know the road. It's called, we used to call it the security road.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga ahabwa tayari West omuri Kampala.